take a quick free tour here. Full cycle, Colorado multi-sport, and tune-up. Where I'm standing right now, straight ahead is where the sales counter will be. Tune-up will be opening a little bit later in the season. We're going to start with full cycle CMS here in late March, and then hopefully by May we'll be opening as a tune-up. This corner over here is where Colorado multi-sport will live. The tune-up, eventually we'll be able to sit outside on the tune-up. Helmets here, the fit area here, tool fitting with the run and daily is going to be taking place in these two rooms. Dressing room for trying on stuff. Two ADA bathrooms. A break room for staff with fridge and stuff. Service room here. We'll have eight-ish mechanics back here cranking out service work all summer long. We got places to keep bikes up above. Customers will approach the service counter here, check in their bikes for service. Bikes will be kept on both sides of where we're walking on the tracks. This is my rental area. Rentals and demos will be checked out off here. And then out the door here. And back around to the front of the shop. Be open by the end of March. The tune-up should be open by the end of May.